Hey, let's talk about air purification. The product that I choose to use in my home is the Solaris air purifier. Now, prior to having the Solaris, any air purification system that I had required that all the air be drawn to that product to clean it up. The Solaris doesn't work like that. The Solaris installs in the ductwork just beyond the air handling machine. And what it's doing is it takes the moisture or the humidity that's in the air, and as it passes across the Solaris air purifier, it converts that into hydroperoxides. This goes throughout that old duct system, killing mold and mildew and different viruses and bacteria and helping to eliminate odors within the home. And then it comes out of the duct system and starts scrubbing every cubic foot of air in the house, helping to kill off the different microbials, mold, mildew, viruses, and bacteria, touching countertop surfaces and disinfecting there. The Solaris air purifier has now been tested on SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, with a 99.9% kill rate on surfaces, 99% reduction in E. coli and strep bacteria, 85% reduction in odor. Install this air purifier in your building today to increase productivity and eliminate sick days. In addition to killing microbials, the Solaris air purifier has a ionization grid. This producing negative ions helps take the particulate in the air, that's the pollens, the dust, and the pet danders, causes them to coagulate, causes it to become a bigger particle so that it doesn't stay suspended in the air, drags it out of the air so there's less stuff for us to breathe in. This also helps your filter become more efficient because now it's a larger particulate so it does not recirculate through the house as it gets captured in the filter. So you know when you have the sun come shining in and you can see all the stuff that's floating around in the air, there's just less of that stuff for you and your family to breathe in. For clean, crisp air in your home or office for you and your family to breathe, call 626-9231. I'm Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.